Travelers and digital nomads, do you actually know how much your dollar is worth in the country you're about to travel to? Are you sure it's still strong where you're currently traveling right now? Because what I'm about to show you could change your entire budget while abroad. Let's get into it. No fluff. This is Lolita Goes Global. All things travel, one stop, right here. So, this is like an all hands alert. Before you book that 1 month, 2 month, or even 3 month stay abroad, you need to know one thing. The power of your American dollar is not the same everywhere. I mean, I've been living here in Colombia for about 6 months now, and I've literally watched the US dollar slide. Just 6 months ago, $1 was pulling in around 4,100 to 4,300 pesos. But today, we're closer to like 3,900. That's about a 4.6% drop on a fixed budget. You feel it in your daily expenses. Now, listen, the cost of living here is still much less than in the US, but how long will that last? That's the big question for me. How long will that last? And you know what? It's not just Colombia. Europe, the British pound, yep, stronger against the US dollar. Back in April, a dollar got you about 0.78 pounds. Now it's down to 0.73. That's a 4.3% drop. London just got more expensive if you're coming in with US money. Meanwhile, though, the Mexican peso has been flexing. It's been flexing the hardest. It's up more than 7% against the US dollar. If you're planning to live in Mexico City, Playa del Carmen, Oaxaca, everything will cost you more in dollars than it did just a half a year ago. But here's the flip side. Here's the flip side. Argentina, the Argentine peso has collapsed, sliding so hard that the US dollar actually strengthened by more than 34%. Sounds great on paper, right? But don't let that fool you. Hyperinflation and political turmoil means yes, your dollar buys you more in Argentina, but the ground under your feet is unstable. That's what's been going on with Argentina for quite some time. Either way, this is why I'm sounding the alarm. The dollar isn't steady. And if you're planning long term travel or a digital nomad life, ignoring the exchange rate is the fastest way to blow your budget. So before you book that next day, please do your homework. Know where your dollar is strong and know where the dollar is weak, where it's slipping. Because this isn't just about numbers. It's about how you live day to day. And that matters. It matters to me. I know it matters to you. What country's exchange rate are you watching right now? Drop it in the comments. Let's compare notes because your money's power could change your whole travel experience, right? I hope you received some good information from this video. I respond to all comments. Let's chat. Stay plugged in.